Good evening. First example. Nina, it was a great speech. Bravo. Nina, it was a great speech. Bravo. Nina, it was a great speech. Bravo. Okay, another scenario. I'm a teacher, you are in a class, you make a lot of noise, and I decided to ask one of you to get out. So I can say, Ilan, get out from the class, please. Or I can say, Ilan, get out from the class, please. Or I can say, Ilan, get out from the class. Yes, this is the second scenario. So what do you say? Which option in the first scenario was the best?
The third.
The third one. And in the second scenario, which option was the best? Was more clear, significant?
The last
The last one. Yes. Can we turn it off? Okay. So why in both cases the third example was the best? What do you say? The body language. What was so good in the body language?
It was leading.
It was
Leading.
leading. Okay, it leads the.
It leads the audience to what they're supposed to do, to how they're supposed to react.
Okay, it's lead. Another thing. What else?
Hand voice.
And the voice and the contact was matching. Okay? When we are speaking, there are three groups of ways to deliver the message. The first one is how we are standing, how we are moved, the hands, the face, the eye contact, and so on. So it's responsible about 55% of the message. We deliver the message with our body. Another 35%, we deliver the message with the music, with the tone, how we said, how we deliver the information. And only 7%, just 7, it's the context. It's the word that we are saying. And the most important is to have the matching between the three of them. So today I will speak about the first and the big part, the body language, and I will show you how we can together do it better. I can tell you that when I prepared the lecture, I learned a lot, and I think it will serve me in the next presentations. So, the first one, and the most important thing, in my opinion, is to plan it. When we have to do a speech, we think of what to say, and we plan the structure of the speech, how to open, what will be in the middle, how to finish, and so on. Now, the second part is to plan how to use our body. In the first paragraph, I will use my hand. In the second, maybe I will emphasize. If I'm speaking about the group, I use my hands with the palm up. It's better, the message delivered better, not like this. Okay, so I have to plan the speech in three categories. The first one is the contact. The second is the movements, how to use my body. And the third is the voice. When I want to raise up my voice, when I speak, the audience will open the ear better. Okay. So the first one is to plan. It's in everything, I think, but in this case, of course. The second point is about the standing. How we are standing. How our shoulders. Where to stand? In such room. This is a small place, so we don't have a lot of place to stand. But sometimes we have a podium. The podium is higher and we are shorter. It's not good. We have to stand near the podium. If there is a table or something like that, so we have to plan the location. We have to think about stability, how to stand. Okay, this is the step. Then we think how to support, to deliver the message. What is the best way to make the message go to the audience? Okay, if I'm speaking and I tell you a story about my friend and he's very high and his wife have long hair, so you can imagine what I say. My hands support the message. Okay, together it gives the picture. If I speak about the audience, I use my hands. If I speak about myself, I use my hands on this direction. Okay. If we're speaking about data, yes, I think all of you remember Bibi Netanyahu when he was Sar Autzar. He speak about the movement, about it was increase and now decrease. So if we're speaking about the details and numbers, we can support. And the last one, if we would like to be very clear and to cut it and to say, okay, I decided, oh, it has to be like that, so you can use your hands like a knife. Okay? To summarize, with the delivery, the message, have to support the words. 55% from the message coming from our movements, and we have to plan it and think about it in advance. So it was a pleasure to me. Thank you very much, and I enjoy a lot. Thank you.
Very good speech. Okay, please take a moment and fill up your evaluation sheet.